Having access to 24 by 7 real-time reporting is really powerful. And also being able to see the click-through data and the conversion data all in one report is really helpful. So to do this, you're going to click Reports in the left navigation, and the default tab is going to be the social media posts reports. Notice that you can also run reports on the other elements of our software, but we're going to start with social posts. You can filter and you can view data in different ways. I'm going to show you first the three main ways that you can view data. You can view data by post. This is going to show you a bar chart for each one of the posts. Ours is a demo account and we've only sent 2 posts. There's also charts over time. This is going to show you each of the different metrics. In this case, clicks is all we have on this account. So it's going to show us this clicks data over time. In this case, it's from the 24th of April all the way through the 26th of April. It's automatically adjusting for the total time period that it sees data. And you're able to filter this date range. When we get to the bottom, we call this the KPI area. We go deep into each one of the key performance indicators. So clicks, for example, as you saw above, there's a total of 3 clicks. There were 2 clicks on our first post and 1 click on our second post. It's going to show you exactly which social network brought in those clicks. It's very, very helpful. So not only can you see your total clicks for the selected time period, but you can also see which social network brought it in. Also, things like likes and conversions and shares, all of these, likes, shares, conversions, these all go into an engagement metrics. They all get rolled up into engagements, including comments as well. Leads and sales, if you have those tracking codes installed on your site, then you'll see the lead and sale counts reflected here. And if you have revenue tracking turned on, you'll also see revenue reported here. So one thing to note here is you'll want to go and look at another video we have for how to track conversions. That's what's going to allow you to place those pixels there so we can report on your downstream conversions from your social posts. So scrolling to the top, here are different ways that you can filter. You can remove certain networks. You can make it the last 30 days or come up with a certain date range. And when you change this, it's going to change all 3 of those reporting views to match this date range. You can select specific posts. We've only sent a few posts and only 2 of them had links. So if you wanted to drill down on one specific post, you could do that here. Categories. This is one of the big reasons that we tag our posts, is now we're able to go in and say, well, show me all of the promotional posts for a given time frame. That's really powerful to be able to see what the performance has been for all of your promotional category posts. Within each one of the views, you also have some information that you can filter. Like right now, I've got it set to show me clicks, engagements, conversions, and likes. We only have clicks on this, so you can only see clicks. But this is a stacked bar chart if we had likes, conversions, or engagements. That way, in one view, you can see everything there is to know about that particular post. You can also add additional metrics. And notice that this is a custom conversion tracking event, the requested phone call event. So as you're adding custom tracking events in Workspace Preferences, those are going to appear as filters on all of your reports as well. Another thing to note here is that this is the chart view, but there's also a data view. This will allow you to view spreadsheet view for everything in your social posts report. You can also export this data to a CSV, which would open in any spreadsheet software. Going back to the chart view, you have these other options. You can print this as a PDF, you can print this to a printer, and you can also export this report, which will just give you that same CSV download spreadsheet view that we saw in the data view.